Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and I want you to say hello to my little friend. Okay, but for real guys, I want to show you these guns from GOATGuns. These are little model guns that are like super accurate, really high detail. They're made out of metal. I have links for these in the description below. These are from GOATGuns. They make all different kinds of weapon platforms. This is the AR-15 that I got here because this is the first one of probably many. But if you're looking for a good gift idea for Father's Day, for your husband, wife, military, law enforcement, firefighter, like anybody, they're really cool collector's items. You can display them on your office. They come with like a little stand. You can put them on shelves. You can put them in the backdrop. You may or may not see these like in the backdrop of my office or something like that. I want to give you guys a little bit of a look at what they actually look like up close and how they go together, because they're a little tricky to put together, which kind of makes it fun to spend some time and actually assemble these things. But they are really, really nice, high quality, and they're not that expensive. So let's go ahead and start with unboxing this thing. Like I said, they are GOATGuns. They make the gun models. This is the AR-15 model. Comes in these little packages, shows you all the parts here, and says there is some assembly required. So we'll put this thing together, get it out of the box, and see what it looks like. Give you little stickers there. Oh, they give you a lot of stickers. Little pamphlets talk about the gun, the hardware. Oh, there we go. That's what we're looking for. How to assemble it. So let's go ahead and follow these instructions. We'll get it all assembled and then we'll take a closer look at it. So now that we got it all assembled, let's just take a little closer look at it. So I'm going to show you guys everything that this thing can do. It does have this magazine release here on the side. You can pop your magazine out. You got your little rounds in there. You can pop it right back in. It clips. You have your little trigger pull. Everything's on a spring. You can see the safe and auto. It actually has like a stop here, so you can actually rotate these. You have the rings on the front and the tail here that you can probably put your own little strap or bandolier if you want to put something on it. The sight actually does flip. You can obviously adjust the bump stock here. It all does come apart. And one of the really cool features is this right here. There's a little magnet right there that actually holds your port open. And then when you go to actually rack it back, it pops down just like a real rifle. But this thing is super accurate, has a little bit of weight to it. You can see the size comparison to my hand. But this is really nice, and because of what it's made out of, you could probably customize it yourself if you wanted to. You could remove some of these pieces and disassemble it and actually customize, maybe even laser engrave or do something on it like that to make it even more personalized. But this is a really, really cool item. I'm happy with it. I'm definitely going to keep this one for myself. And now I know what to get all my buddies. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that maybe I showed you something new. Like I said, I think these have been around for a little bit, but I just found them and I wanted to show them off to you guys and let you know, because I know we're always trying to find some good gift ideas for people. And this is something that I don't think anybody will turn down. If you give this thing for like a white elephant gift, I think everybody's going to be trying to steal it. So again, there's links for all of them in the description there below. I'll put links for all the different models that I could find. And then I'll also put the website for GOATGuns so that if you want to check out their website. But I actually found that on Amazon, surprisingly, they actually had more options And they even have this really cool one that it's kind of hard to find. It's like a red, white, and blue one. They have some different painted versions of these. And again, you could probably paint these yourself and really trick them out if you want to. So you can get pretty creative with how you want to customize these. It's kind of up to your own imagination as how far you want to go with it. So that'd be pretty cool if maybe like you customized them and then gave them away as gifts. And you might even be able to personalize it with someone's name or badge number or something on it. So just some ideas for you guys if you do want to give it to somebody for a gift. But anyways, thanks again for watching the video. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. Lets YouTube know that you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments there below, and I make sure that I reply back to all my comments on my channel. If you guys find something else that's really cool like this, let me know and I'll check it out. Maybe I'll even do a video on it. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next build.